Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to go through a neat little library I found in Pharo, the INI file reader from Torsten Bergman. Just load it here out of the repository, and once you've got it, it's actually a pretty nice thing. I've written a simple version of this for VisualWorks, but this one is much more expansive. It's not that there's a whole huge, terribly difficult field here, but this reader does things that mine doesn't and organizes things, and I think I'll show you what it is. You have the INI file and INI sections, and what it'll do is if I have something like this, so here I'll bring up in VI, this little thing. So I have a section here called foo with key 1, key 2, and key 3. Notice that white space doesn't matter. And then I have this section bar. And if you look into the documentation, you'll find that you can put in comments with semicolons. I'm not doing that in this file, but that's my file. If I come in and I go ahead and I open up a file stream on the file, and I hand the INI reader, tell it to read from that stream, and then I close the stream and just look at what comes back, I'm going to get back a complete object instead of a base dictionary. So let's take a look. I've got an INI file. All instvars is I've got my section dictionary. So I've got a dictionary for each section, foo and bar. So I've got two main dictionaries. There they are. And I can go ahead and query it in nice ways. So I have my section as INI data at section foo, and then section at key 1. So I can query this way without having to delve into the dictionaries themselves. Basically, I've got an API at the INI file level that allows me to talk to it as an object instead of having to delve directly down into the dictionary aspect of it. Not that delving into the dictionary is difficult. Like I said, I've done this in VisualWorks. But this lifts you one level up to the object level and makes it easier to deal with pretty complex data files. If you look into the testing, you'll find that he's written some tests here, and you can learn how to use it here. As a matter of fact, this is pretty much how I figured out how to use this thing. So the tests are explanatory. They teach you how to use the thing, and of course they'll tell you if any file you happen to throw at it has a problem. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever small talk you're using.